You ready? Hi, love.
Hey, sweetheart.
What do you got today?
Hey, somebody delivered a big box.
That is a really big box.
Is
That's
it something you ordered?
Yeah, but that's way bigger
Is it a
than
flat screen?
No,
Oh.
it's a headboard. Sorry.
You must read and understand the assembly instruction sheet packed in the carton before you start to assemble.
Isn't it like two bolts on each side and you're done?
There's like slim to no chance of me understanding instructions.
Well, there is that.
I got arrows that say up. Do not cut open with sharp knife or tool.
Is a screwdriver considered a sharp knife or tool?
I don't know. I just grabbed the first thing I could find. Dang it. Let's try not to do that. Here, I'll flip that over since it's out.
I want to use the flathead instead of the Phillips to try and open your box.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Phillips wasn't sharp enough.
Wasn't good, but you wanted.
50-some pounds. It's in a bag.
What?
Ah!
It's a paper bag.
Trick or treat.
Not.
Do not eat.
Another one.
Trick or treat. It looks like just dumb instructions.
We might need those dumb instructions.
I undoubtedly will. So there's a, I'm going to come around this side.
See if we
A
got
little cubby spot here with elastic
Oh,
that seems to be holding these things, which I can only
imagine I have the two pieces.
imagine are the legs.
Oh, had some parts inside the bag.
Left.
Your left or their left?
I don't know. I didn't see where it came off of either.
Oh.
That's cool. Ah,
Oh, there's some hardware.
there's some bolts.
Okay.
I was beginning to get a little apprehensive.
We lost the bottom thing for that one too.
Yeah.
Oh, it comes with its own little wrench thing.
Pack B for assembly the legs to the bed frame. So that's what those are.
Okay.
Grabber screws, zip ties,
What do you need a zip tie for?
little picture bracket thingies. I don't know.
And don't you just put
Package A for assembly the legs to the headboard. So those ones hold it to the bed. These hold it to here.
Oh, okay.
All right.
So A is for the legs to go onto the headboard. And B is for my bed. Now that's easy to remember.
Now, unfortunately, don't know which was left and which was right.
They both look the same.
Yeah, I got a bad feeling.
What? Oh, the holes don't, those don't all line up.
So these will be for that. And we're going to want them closer together because this is a Cal King, right?
Yes. So it would be the inside hole? Because the Cal King is narrower than it is long. No, it's narrower than a regular king, but longer than a regular king.
Well, there's two sets of holes on the back.
So, but only one slot, so it seems like the inside one would be for the Cal King then. Or do we gotta pull the bed out and look?
Yeah, I think we're going to pull the bed out and we're going to measure.
Okay, we shall be back then. All right, so you did your measuring.
Okay, I lifted it up here too, so it's a little bit easier to work with.
So we can see.
And I still have not ventured to open up the instructions. What we determined was there's some slots on the bed frame, and the closest they can be is 71, and the furthest apart they can be is 73.
70. I wrote down 70. 70 and 73.
Yeah, 70 and 73.
Okay.
All right. So
You gotta measure, yeah, the little slot in there.
yeah, which I can't do.
Yeah, the outside one as far up as it'll go.
All right. Will you hold this over?
Holding it over the slot.
Yes.
And you have, tipsy-turvy or crooked.
And that's about 72 and a half.
Okay, so we should be stitched.
So if we do them in these outside holes like this,
Right.
we should be good.
Go right there and right there for the bolts. We should be good for.
Okay. And then we want these guys.
Oh, and this one has an Allen wrench with it. Okay.
Yeah. It did.
What about these other little washer things?
What about them?
I don't know. Are they supposed to go in there too?
Yeah, I put one on it.
Oh.
I don't like that.
Ah, they went on
And
first.
put a
Oh, I missed
washer on
that.
that.
I missed
And I
it.
put that one there.
Okay.
And while we were having Christy evaluate the aesthetics, where she determined she liked the wider gap here to be on the outside.
Yeah, it gave her a little more like a
Make it
headboard
look
look.
a little bit nicer. We also checked the thickness of our mattress, and we need the headboard as high as we can go,
So we're
which
putting
is
it up
where we
there.
are in these slots.
Because I have those lovely logs that I keep scratching myself on when I try to make the bed. That was time to do a headboard of some sort.
Normally I go and get my little 3/8 gun, cordless, and a bit to do this.
Won't that over tighten it?
Possibly, but more importantly, trying to find those things right now.
Yeah, just pick a box in the garage or a bag.
Could prove to be a bit of a challenge. And I'm sure the instructions have it all mapped out on which holes to use, but
Well, we decided to measure it the way I liked it, the look of it, instead of using
yeah.
instructions.
Hopefully that will work. Otherwise, we'll be taking it all back apart. Well, because flat washers keep things from pulling through.
Oh.
All right. You may have to stop
Stop and help you lift it over
Help
there.
me get it lifted in place and get these bolts started.
Okay, then we'll be back. Well, that's gonna look nice. Okay, so he has taken those and started it down in there. So you can kind of see what it looks like down in there. So you're gonna go around and tighten those now?
Well, I'm going to get all four of them.
Oh, all
through the
four
holes
in.
First.
Okay.
I put one on that side
Oh,
to
so
hold it so that you could film.
okay. So now you're down there. Probably should have taken the mattress and the box springs off, maybe?
Well, that's the way that
And the
lazy people
blankets
do
and
it.
all that stuff instead of try to do it with the bed intact. Of course, we never quite do things normal. But at the same time, if two old farts can figure out how to do this, almost anybody can.
Yeah, I'm going to come where you are.
Okay. I like the way it's looking.
That's the only thing that matters at this point.
I know. You spoil me. Oops, I didn't think I got in your way, sorry. Okay, so it's bolt, washer, and then the nut
Yeah, I
goes
didn't
up.
bring the flashlight. I don't know if that's picking it up down there in the dark.
There's your flashlight on the other side.
Yeah.
Right.
I would have liked a nice big flat washer on both sides of the metal,
Yeah,
but because the bed frame is a little thicker than this is,
that's
I put the flat washer on the other side.
Okay.
So
So
now-
I guess it works.
I go find the Allen wrench, tighten those,
Okay.
push your mattress back up, push the whole thing back up
Okay.
against the wall, and go to sleep.
Okay. So I can go, this is what it looks like, and that's how we did it. And thanks for watching.